Okay, so I got an El Camino. This is the 87 model. It's the G body. It has some rally wheels. I don't really know what they're from. I'm pretty sure it's a Nova or something. But yeah. It has some rot, but the frames are pretty solid. I will show you later what part is not solid, but I'll show you underneath the car another time. Has a 350 turbo 350 trans. It has a 305 motor. It has a TCI converter. I don't really know which one, but it still has the 7.3 in it. So that's something to do in the future. I have it on a trailer right now because Massachusetts is about to get hit by a storm, and I don't want it to sit in the ground, and I don't have a garage for it. So yeah, I'll show you the engine bay. Has the MSD ignition system with the coil to match. It doesn't have headers. It has the stock like manifolds, which they need to go. I already got headers for it. It also has an exhaust leak, so I'm gonna get a new exhaust. I'll put exhaust clips later in it. The video. I just bought this new battery today. Yeah, but it has this Edelbrook carb, which I forgot like the specific thing. It has it also has the intake for it over here. It's pretty good. It's a nice car. This is the oldest car I've owned, because before that I had the Beetle, and I also have the Volvo still. But this is the project car. But yeah. I have to do a couple things with it. First things first is the exhaust leak. Also, the starter's a little bit funky. I need to you need to jump it sometimes. Sometimes the wire comes loose. So just need to like do that one wire, and that should be fine. I'm gonna get rid of this bundle of wires. See what I need, see what I don't need, and get rid of it. A lot of it is the like the emission stuff from the that's like capped off. Get rid of that. But yeah, it's a nice car. I like it. I got a really great deal on it. Basically stole it, which is great. So it was too good of an offer. I've always been looking for a project car, but like just waiting for that good deal. I like the G bodies. It's a G body. It's a 305, but always just put something bigger in it later down the line. But turbo 350 can handle something bigger, which is great. But yeah, so this is the engine bay. I took off the antenna for the radio, but I'll put it back on after the storm is. I'm gonna cover it. I got a car cover for her. But this is it. It has one wiper blade. That needs to get addressed. I'll go find one, order one. But, gotta go through the fluids and everything. I drove it around a little bit. It's pretty good. Drives nice. Drives straight. But yeah, this is the overview. And then next clip I'll do say what's up with underneath the car. It has this nice red interior. I'll give another interior video further. Okay, so we're under the El Camino. We can see that this exhaust is not great. It's got these like fat booger welds, you know, but it's alright. I'm gonna change the exhaust on it. It has these shocks. The guy who I bought it from put them on. He has like 3 Grand Nationals. One of them's like a full drag build, you know, and he stole one of them from the Grand National and threw it on here. That's nice. Pretty sure the springs are stock. I don't know about the suspension, but you know, a lot of it is a little bit rusty, but the floors are solid. The bed is solid, but the only thing, oh wait, no, not this one. It's this. So this is the only part of the frame rail that needs to get replaced. They sell these on the G Body Parts, and then I just gotta order it, and then I know someone who's gonna weld it. You know, good body guy, but the rest of the frame is solid. But yeah, this is the only thing that needs to get addressed. Everything else on the car is pretty good. This one is, you know, it's rusted, but it's not like, I can't shove my thumb in it. It's, you know, it's pretty good. You know, it's going, so it can get replaced too. The body mounts, pretty alright. But yeah, this is the only one that if I were to do anything like soon, for the body at least, it would be this. I mean, it's kind of like, I can't even show my thumb in it, which is pretty good test. But yeah, the rest of the frame rails are good. I'm surprised at how good the floor is, but the bed, like, get out. The bed's pretty solid. You know, there's no rust on it. Well, there's some over there, but I'm not gonna fall through it. You know, I can jump up and down, it's fine. This is the only sticker that's on it. It's that one, then there's like an American flag on the rear bumper. You know, it's pretty nice. It's inside the interior. But yeah, this is the top of the El Camino. Paint's pretty alright. Nathan said it probably needs to get repainted. I said it's fine. Nathan hasn't seen it in person yet. I only showed him pictures. But, you know, he'll see this video and then he'll be like, oh, it's alright. I left the window like that because when it's on the bed, it's hard to get into the interior. But yeah, this is, yeah. And then next clip will be part interior. So, okay, so this is the interior of the El Camino. It has this TCI slap shifter. It has this cover for it, but it doesn't sit flat on the interior, so I'm just not going to put it on. Might do a different slap shifter in the future, but just like this is fine for now. Yeah, it's nice red. I'm getting another bad storm, so it's sitting on a trailer, but so it doesn't sink in the ground. But yeah, so this is it. It's on right now. It doesn't have a tachometer, but I'm just gonna give you guys a little sound clip. Sounds nice. Camino. Has an exhaust leak, so I'm gonna put new exhaust on it. I already got headers. Yeah, this is the engine bay. Now this is the El Camino. No, she's all right. I just put a new battery in it today. I don't have it strapped down right now. But yeah. I'm gonna do some more stuff with the body, and I need to rewire some things in the engine bay. But yeah, this is gonna be the El Camino build. No, I'm happy with it. Nice car. Like, I think I'm gonna change the dash with a cluster at least, or put like gauges over here or something, or somewhere, because I don't like that these are just lights. I want to know like my actual voltage and stuff, and this is supposed to be a tachometer. I'm gonna get a 5-inch tacho, but you know, it'll be pretty good. Pretty good. I have a spare over there. I don't like that this isn't the factory radio. I'd like to have a cassette player, but you know, that's fine. This doesn't even have aux or CDs, so it's all right. But yeah, this is the Camino. I don't really know what else to show, so this is the end of the video. Okay, bye. Okay, I said that this doesn't have a CD player, but I just found out if you just hit this button, you can play CDs in it, which I'll take advantage of that and burn a CD for the G body. But you know, that's good to know. Okay, but yeah, cut to the rest.